All characters are present in this match are only resemble, not anyone living or dead. It's purely intentional. If anybody having any problem, okay, Gurukutala?
No.
Presenting to you the 7 wonders of Mangalore. First wonder, the Kadri Park. La 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 la. Darling, darling, Sindhu ಹೋಗುವ. ಹೋಗಲೇ ಹೋಗಲೇ ಹೋಗಲೇ. The second wonder, Sultan Bateri. Chicken. Chicken. Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. Ting, ting. The lower spot. The third wonder, city center. Darling, 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 ನನಗೆ ಆ ಟಿ-ಶರ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ? ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಹಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. Who is this? He is my cousin. Yesterday he was my cousin. The fourth wonder, the famous bar Pancha Ratna. Listen karo, macha listen karo. The fifth wonder, RK. ಅಂಗಲ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಹಣ ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. The sixth wonder, Aloha's library. Ting, 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 ting. Toing, toing. ಹೋಗಲ್ಲೇ. ಮಚಾ. What is the seventh wonder? The seventh wonder, one and only Aloha's engineering. Calm down. Audience will get back the first scene. Macha. How many fingers you have, da? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now put your fingers in pocket. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How can, Macha? How can? Lollipop. In finger sizes. ಕೈಲಿ ಪುಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿ. ಮಚ ನಂದು ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ? ಕೆಳಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯೋ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Take this, Dolly ice cream. It does not leak. Dolly ice cream. ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಹಿಡೀರಿ, ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಬಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿ. Here is the only player who plays for India during day and night for Pakistan. Sania Mirza. Tuck. Sania ji. What is the secret of your energy? My eyes, my arms, my boots, my big heart, maintained by Dolly Energy Products. Okay. Now give some advice to Aloha students. Students. Don't cover entire syllabus. Just cover important portions. Now seen in a bedroom. Yeah. Mine is long and strong. Darling, yours is smooth and silky. Mine is long and smart. What are you doing, Stretcha. Dolly hair oil. Make my hair go long and strong. Mine is thick and smooth. Dolly hair oil. It's not just oil. It's liquid engineering. Dr. Pandu and Stella romantic. Stella ki jawan. Suddenly Rajan enters. Hey. Doctor, Mr. எனக்கு ஃபைல்ஸ் இருக்கு. டவுன்லோடிங் ஸ்பீடு 1 TB. Stella stethoscope ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಜನಿ ಸರ್ ರಿಮೂವರ್ ಚಡ್ಡಿ. ಲಪಕ್ ಚಪಕ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಲಪಕ್ ಚಪಕ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಪಿಚ್ಚ. ನಾ 134 ನಾ 134 ಮಾದ್ರಿಗೆ. Dolly 30. Why should girls have all the fun? ಮಚ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಸ್ ನೋಡು ಬಾ 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 ವಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಂಟೀಸು ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಯಾ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಯಾ ಇವಂದು ವೈಟ್ ಇವಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಾಲಿ ವಾಚಸ್ ನಾವೇನೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ವೈಟ್ಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ A man named Sharma. He didn't have wife, not even children, not even girlfriend, not even an affair. He got a Dolly body spray. As soon as he sprays it, Hema, Veka, Jaya or Sushma, Sabki Pasand Sharma. One day Facebook site got blocked. One Facebook psycho is roaming on the road with his profile picture. Comment kadama, anna like manana, that's it. Our own student has Dolly book. No comment, no like, only upload. One day Tanya and Malik playing tennis. Tuck. Suddenly Zair Khan enters and gives Dolly lassi. As soon as he drinks, moral of the story, ನಾಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರನ್ನು ಮರಳಿ ತರಲು ಯತ್ನ. Thank you. I'm introducing my team. Lollipop, Vishal, Tanya, Naveen, Rajini Anurag, Oily Bhupesh, Condom Ranjan, Body Rakit, and myself Facebook account.
Judges, please note the time.